Ready to send money instantly to your loved ones. Adding money to your Taptap Send wallet is what you need to do next. Here's how to make it happen. First, locate the Taptap Send app icon on your phone and open it. Once the app is open, navigate to your wallet. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon on the top right or a wallet icon. Look for a button labeled something like Add Funds or Add Money. Tap that button to begin the funding process. You will now see the options or the details to enter the amount of money you wish to add to your wallet. Pick your amount or fill in the amount you would like. Okay, great. Now it's time to choose your preferred payment method. Taptap Send will likely accept a variety of options like debit and credit cards, or sometimes even bank transfers. Select the option that works best for you if setting up a bank transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account or gather the necessary transfer details. If using a credit or debit card, safely enter your card information when prompted. Finally, double-check the amount and payment method to make sure everything is correct. Once you're certain, confirm your transaction. You may be asked to verify your identity or confirm your transaction with your bank afterwards. You should receive a confirmation message within Taptap Send, confirming that the funds have been added to your wallet. You are now ready to send your money.